Dear students, there is another property called as unit step response of an LTI system. This is very important. Many times he has asked for even a derivation. Here you can see that the output y of n of a discrete time LTI system characterized by an impulse response h of n with the input x of n is given by y of n is equal to h of n convoluted into x of n. If the input is the unit step, x of n is equal to u of n. X of n is equal to u of n. Then the step response is given by. The name itself is indicating here it is. The name itself is indicating is S of n. S is nothing but unit step. S of n is equal to h of n convoluted into u of n. The above equation we can write it as summation k is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity h of k u of n minus k. So here you can see that we know that u of n minus k is equal to 1 for n minus k is greater than or equal to 0 or k is less than or equal to n. So whenever u of n minus k is equal to, it is equal to 1 for n minus k is greater than 0, where k is varying from minus infinity to plus infinity. Otherwise it is 0 for n minus k is less than 0 or k is greater than n. So the above equation S of n, that is nothing but unit step response S of n is written as summation k is equal to minus infinity to n. It is not to infinity, it is to n. From minus infinity to n, h of k. This is a very important formula. They will ask the problems on this. Similarly, you can also represent the unit step response in CTS system, that is y of t is equal to h of t convoluted into x of t. X of unit step is nothing but x of t is equal to u of t. Then the step response is given by s of t is equal to h of t convoluted into u of t. You can write the above equation. You should remember that for CTS we are going to represent the equations in terms of integration, whereas for DTS we are going to represent the equation in terms of summation. Only that differences you can find it out here. So integration from minus infinity to plus infinity h of tau u of t minus tau into t tau, where u of t minus tau is equal to 1 for t minus tau is greater than or equal to 0 or tau is less than or equal to t. Otherwise it is 0 for t minus tau is less than 0 or t greater than 1. So this is an equation. Then we get the above equation s of t is equal to integration from minus infinity to t h of tau into d tau. So this is a unit step response of an LTI system. Next you can see this. All the formulas and all the properties are being summarized in this particular table. So if you remember this table, sometimes they may ask to derive the properties, or directly they may ask you the problems. So there are chances of either derivation or the problems in this particular chapter, that is module 3 impulse response of an LTI system. Now if you go for the first problem here, let us go into the first problem. Find the overall impulse response h of t in terms of impulse response of each subsystem for a system shown in the figure. So he is asking us to find the overall impulse response h of t, and he has represented the system in terms of block diagram. You can see here x of t is your input and y of t is your output. He is asking us to find the overall impulse response h of t, and here you should remember that x of t is being given to h1 of t, h2 of t and h3 of t. and h1 of t is given to h4 of t. So how to write this impulse response h of t? H of t is equal to, first what we will going to do is